Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulala zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje. Kusho nabafundi abangu-14 abangeke balimala kanzima engozini yetekisi bebehamba ngalo eVanderbilt Park eGauteng, kanti-ke abazali balabafundi bakhihla isililo ngesikhathi bebona-ke izidumbu zey'ngane zabo-ke okokuqala endaweni yesigameko. Sesenyukele-ke kwabe yi-18 kisibalo-ke sabantu asebedluleke emhlabeni ngenxa yey'khukhula esifundazweni eLimpopo njengoba kusaqhubeka ukuthungathwa kwabanye-ke abantu abanyamalele.
Mr. Paul O'Sullivan is insulting the Parliament of the Republic, calling it a criminal parliament, and has even made very, very serious allegations.
Umphenyi ozimele uPaul O'Sullivan usetsheleke ikomidi lasephalamende eliphenya ngey'nsolo zokuxhamukela kosombusazwe namaqembu ezigilamkhuba ukuthi akazimisele ukuvela phambi kwalo ngoba-ke ligcwele izigebengu. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure, kanjalo-ke na ku-SABC Lihayi. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Sesinyuke safinyelela kwabali-18 isibalo sabantu abashone ngenxa yey'khukhula esifundazweni eLimpopo, kanti-ke abantu kabahlanu kubikwa ukuthi basanyamalele. Isikhungo esibhekeleke izinhlekelele esifundazweni eLimpopo sithi uyaqhubeka umsebenzi wokuthungatha amabhunga amabili okukholakala ukuthi-ke emuke emfuleni iSelate eMashishimane ngaphandle kwasePhalabora. Kubikwa ukuthi lamabhunga emuke ngenkathi-ke umfula ugcwele, kanti-ke elesithathu likwazile ubhukuda-ke labe-ke selisinda. Kusenjalo kumisiwe-ke namhlanje-ke ekuseni ukuthungathwa kweveni okukholakala ukuthi-ke imuke ngesikhathi izama ukweleka ibloho eTwinga ngaphandle kwaseThohoyanto njengoba kuphoqele ukuthi abezimo eziphuthumayo balibangise kwenye indawo. Kubikwa ukuthi kunomuntu osekhulile obevalelekile ngenxa yey'khukhula. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi-ke bazoqala kumsebenzi wokulungisa-ke imigwaqo kanye-ke namabloho acekeleke phansi uma-ke seliphenyile izulu njengoba-ke lisayidliva kwezinye-ke izingxenye zesifundazwe. Zisale ezikhungathekile izindawo eziningi esifundazweni umkhanyakude KwaZulu-Natal ngemva kokuhlaselwa-ke izikhukhula ezidala omkhulu umonakalo. Intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uSimphiwe Makhanya usihlanganisele nankumbiko.
Sibonge bese sibingelela umbukelo wendaba ngalesi sikhathi siqhamuka lapha ku Ward 16 ngaphansi kwendawo umkhanya kude igama lesikole isezwelinye. Lapha ke isimo sibucayi kakhulu njengoba ke lesikole kusukela sifikile la ekseni akukho ukufunda nokufundisa okuqhubekayo ngenxa yokuthi amalungu omphakathi evile ekhulweni sekuphoqe ukuthi ashiye amakhaya awo azozama indawo yokukhosela kulesikole ngenxa phela yesimo sezulu lapha esifundazweni esingabanga ke sihle neze kulezi insuku ezimbalwa ezedlule. Angicela uza kwethu uNomhlengubane eze nami sizama ukutshengisa umbukelo ukuthi ngakube bahleli kanjani laba abakhona la ngaphakathi kuleli igumbi. Ikhaya lakho malilimele kangakanani nokuthi umndeni wakho uphoqele ukuthi uze la uzohlala esikoleni ngoba ikhaya lakho mhlawumbe lilimele kakhulu awukwazi ukufinyelela kulona. Sichazele ngesimo.
Sonke nje umndeni wami nguthathe wonke ngawuthatha wonke silanje ngaphakathi sonke ekhaya sishile nje sishaya umuntu kulimele kumanzi ngisho endlini kuyonke into nje isemanzini kumanzi nje ngendlela esimanga ekhaya la ngisuka khona.
Sibakhulu isikhathi sakho mayisimo ke lesi esibucayi esibhekene ke namalungu omphakathi ke ala endaweni yase Mkhanya kude njengoba echazile ke uma ukuthi akuyona nje kuphela imfuyo noma singathi impahla ezibalekile abalahlekelwe izona kuzona, kepha abanye babo balahlekelwe ngisho nayi imizwa uqobolayo ngoba eminye yayo ikhahlamezeke kakhulu ngenxa yalesimo sezulu esingesihle besilokhu senzeka la esifundazweni. Sizamile ke ukuthola kuNgqongqoshe ukuthi luphi usizo obazohlinzekwa ngalo, wachaza ukuthi kuyabonakala manje ukuthi kuzodingeka ukuthi kwakhiwe ngokusheshsha izindlu ezingomahamba nendlwana ukuzama ukusiza labo ikakhulukazi abalemalelwe amakhaya abo kulesehlakalo. Sibuyiseleke intambo kwena kuleli qophelo eGoli.
Ikomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende liphenya ngeinsolo zokuxambukela kosombusazwe abathile abashomeneke nezigilamkhuba ekuphazamiseni ukusebenza kwezobulungiswa libhunga ngohlelo lofakazi okulindele ukuthi ke ababizelwe phambi kwe-ad hoc kuleli sonto. Usihlalo wekomiti Soviet Lehanyane utsheleke amalungu e-ad hoc ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan uhlonzweke njengomunye kulabo okufanele bethula ubufakazi, kanti kubonakala sengathi akazimisele ukubambisana nekomiti.
The witness.
Usihlalo wekomiti lesikhashana uSoviet Lehanyana utshela amalungu ekomiti ukuthi umphenyi ozimele uPaul O'Sullivan usedelele iPhalamende laseNingizimu Afrika walichaza njengephalamende lesigebengu. uO'Sullivan uyathinteka ezinsolweni ezibucayi ezenziwa ngumkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi njengomunye obengene wagamanxa ephazamiseni ukusebenza kwe-IP.
Mr. Paul O'Sullivan is insulting the Parliament of the Republic, calling it a criminal parliament, and has even made very, very serious allegations. He went on to cast aspersions on members of this parliament and members of this committee, accusing them of aiding criminal conspiracies to take his life.
Uphinde watshela amalungu e-ad hoc ukuthi uO'Sullivan uthi noma ngabe ubezokwethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti kunamalungu amaqembu athile ezombusazwe angawahlonza inhlobo njengamalungu aqotho.
He further says, even if I was coming to appear virtually before you, I will not recognize members of the MKP, I won't recognize members of the EFF, I won't recognize members of the Action SA.
Usomabhizinisi ongundabuzekwayo waseNorthwest uBrown Mokgotsi kulindeleke ethule ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende ngolwesithathu lobuzoqhubeka ngokohlelo lobuchwepheshe besimanje njengoba izobe ngekho ephalamende.
Sithanda ukuxwayisa ababukeli abanezinhliziyo ezisheshe zizwele ngombiko olandelayo. Sekudluleke emhlabeni abafundi abayi-14 ngemva kwengozi enyantisa igazi phakathi kwetekisi elithwala abafundi neloli eVanderbilt Park eVaal namhlanje kuseni.
Kube isikhathi esigcwele umunyu nokukhungatheka kubazali babafundi abayi-14 abashonile ngesikhathi kutholana phezulu itekisi ethwala abafundi besikole neloli eVanderbilt Park namhlanje kuseni, kanti umshayeli wetekisi ulwela impilo yakhe esibhedlela. Iziphathimandla nazo zedlulisa amazwi enduduzo emndenini zaphinde zagxeka nezenzo zabashayeli abathutha abafundi ngokushayela ngesivinini.
We are deeply heartfelt condolences to everybody. Not that we reopened schools on Wednesday, it's only Thursday and Friday. Then today we get this type of news.
We really don't want a lot of learners being transported from, to schools.
This has become a national crisis everywhere. We understand the taxi people that they are working on targets, and which is making them not to be tolerant on the road or on the way. But we are also calling unto them that please, safety first. We can rather be late. From what we've been happening, we heard this has happened around 7:30. So I can tell you that maybe the driver was under pressure, that he was already late.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa naye udlulisa amazwi enduduzo ngomshophi owehlelela emndeni. Kusenjalo amaphoyisa aqinisekisile ukuthi kuzothathwa isitatimende kulabashayeli bobabili ngalesigameko.
Uqale namhlanje umhlangano waminyaka yonke wama-56 we-World Economic Forum eDavos Klosters eSwitzerland ngaphansi kwesiqubulo lesithi A Spirit of Dialogue.
Ukubhekana nesimo samanje somnotho emhlabeni jikelele kuzoba into eseqhulwini kule ngqungquthela. Kunethemba lokuthi kuzoba nomehluko ebudlelwaneni bamazwe omhlaba ekwazi ukuhwebelana kahle bese eyathuthuka. Isikhulu esiphezulu sayi World Economic Forum sithi le ngqungquthela ihlanganisa izinhloko zombuso eyingama-75.
Dialogue is not a luxury. Dialogue is really a necessity because many of the problems we are still faced with, we need to collaborate on.
Chiro Munyato inhloko yezwekazi Africa ku World Economic Forum uthi udaba lokuhwebelana luzoba phakathi kwezinto abazofuna idingidwe abaholi base-Africa.
At the World Economic Forum, we have an initiative called the Forum Friends of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. It's an initiative under which we've been mobilizing global CEOs, public figures, as well as civil society and academia over the last 5 years.
Njengoba umhlaba ubhekene nenkinga yoqhekeko, isikhulu esiphezulu se-Brand South Africa sithi World Economic Forum kulonyaka izogxila ekukhangiseni lakuleli njengezwe elincintisayo kwezokutshala imali.
Over and above our clear stance of ensuring that we promote South Africa as a competitive destination, our stance really, based on the political shifts globally, has been to diversify in terms of our markets and to really re-engender our relations with our key partners.
Kwabahambelele ngqungquthela kubalwa kubo umengameli waseMelika, waseGermany, waseFrance, wase-Ukraine kanye nowase-Argentina.
Mbogele sathi Qwez Dora Kaduma Sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
Yeah, I'm just disappointed, but I won't talk much because uLoyal Abuthengi ngakhuluma kakhulu.
Uzinikele emaphoyiseni lo ogaqeleke sobumeya kwe-Action SA ku-Relay uXolani Khumalo nowazakhela udumo ngohlelo ke lokubopha labo abathengisa izidakamizwa. Bukela ngibingelele ngiphinde ngikwamukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo. Uzinikele emaphoyiseni lo ke ogaqeleke sobumeya ku-Action SA ku-Relay uXolani Khumalo nowazakhela udumo ngohlelo ke lokubopha labo abathengisa izidakamizwa isizokuthola. Ukhumalo kubhekene necala lokushaya nokukhomba ke ngesibhamu umusolwa ke ngesikhathi ephelezela kamaphoyisa eyogasela.
Ukhumalo uzakhele udumo ngokubamba iqhaza ezinhlelweni zethelevishini ezigxile ebugebengwini nasekuphepheni komphakathi. Namhlanje uzinikele emaphoyiseni kulandela izinsolo zokubandakanyeka ecaleni lokushaya umsolwa ngokudayisa izidakamizwa. I-Action SA ithi lokhu kwenzakalayo kubeka ngokusobala inkohlakalo edlalubi emaphoyiseni ekuruleni.
The fact that the police members at a station like this will harass Xolani Khumalo for doing the right thing and fighting against drug dealers in this community means we've chosen the right candidate.
Ukhumalo ephawula ngalokhu okwenzakalayo akumethusi neze ngoba sekuvamisile ukuthi isigebengu zikhululeke kucindezelwe labo abalwa nobugebengu.
Yeah, I'm just disappointed, but I won't talk much because uLoyal Abuthengi ngakhuluma kakhulu. Uyazi bathi kushawe igijimana. Kusho njalo. Sebenza uyashaya, igebengu ayishaya. So yinto esihlangabezana nayo kodwa kunankinga.
I-Action SA izoqhubeka nokweseka uKhumalo kwesobumeya iphinde iqinise imikhankaso yokulwa nabadayisa izidakamizwa nabenza ubugebengu emphakathini.
Much as we don't want to presume what's going to happen, but we are confident that Xolani is going to stand as the mayoral candidate of Action SA.
uKhumalo ubhekene necala lokushaya nelokukhomba ngesibhamu.
Libele enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehlezi lisikisiki namhlanje icala elibhekene ke nabalisa abayisithupha abasolaka ngokusoco ngabantu abayishumi ngobuzande lisikisiki ngo-2024. Ukuzwayo kanzulu ke ngokuqhubeka inkantolo sixhumana ke nentatheli ye-SABC ufundiswa Mhlekude onkanise khona lapha ke eMthatha. Fundiswa asikubingelele sikwamukele izindaba ke zasemini besacela nje usibeke esithombeni ngokuqhubeka inkantolo osukwini lanamhlanje.
Ndibulise kuni Dawuda nababukeli. Ngaphambi kokuba iqale inkundla namhlanje sibone umnumzana uNdamase, umzukisi Ndamase ongungqondo ekubulaweni kwabantu abalishumi apha eNgobozane Lusikisiki esenza izicelo enkundleni esokuqala esesokuba anikwe ushicilelo olubhaliweyo lobungqina okanye apho ebebuza khona umangalelwa okanye ingqinela inhloko umnumzana uLwando Abi ngoba uthi akakwazi ukubhala yena njengoko eboshiwe ke izandla zakhe kwaye futhi kufuneka ephethe namaphepha la anobungqina obuyinhloko obenziwa ngumnumzana uAbi. Isicelo sesibini sesokuba xa inkundla ifuna ukumnika amaxwebhu ucela ukuba xa esiwa kuye enkundleni okanye ejele eli ibhongweni elise Kokstad anganikwa amapolisa ngoba utyhola amapolisa ngelithi kukho izinto athi azisuse apha kulo maxwebhu. Lonto ke ngoku ithi imchaphazele xa kufuneka elungiselele ukufaka imibuzo ingqina eli lombuso uLwando uAbi. Okwesibini ke ngoku sibona igqwetha lomangalelwa wesibini uAphiwe Mndende lithatha over kumnumzana uNdamase njengoba sazi ukuba uNdamase uye waqoshelisa ukufaka imibuzo uAbi ngoSeptemba ngonyaka ophelileyo ukuze libe liyamiswa ityala limiselwa olusuku lwanamhlanje. Limncambezisile ke ngobungqina bakhe obuyinhloko nalapho ke liqale lambuza ukuba uyayazi nalento ikukuthatha ukwenza isifungo enkundleni ngoba kubungqina bakhe obuyinhloko wayethe akayazi lonto. Watsho ke umnumzana uAbi ukuba akayazi into yokunika yokuthatha ubungqina ngoba wayekhe wayenza ekubanjweni kwakhe ngo-2012 lento kuthiwa kukuthatha isifungo. Umbuzile ke nangezinye izinto ezimalunga nokubanjwa kwakhe embuza ngokuba zadroshwa njani okanye arhoxiswa njani amatyala ayebekwa wona. Watsho ukuba arhoxiswa kuba wayezawuthi abelingqina lombuso. Iyaqhuba ke inkundla nonxa njengoku isathathe ikhefu.
Ke sibonge kakhulu yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundiswa Mhlekude sibikela bukhoma khona ke lapha ke eLsikisiki eEastern Cape. Libole inkantolo ke phakeme yasePitoli icala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa. Ijaji uRatha Mogotleng liqaleke lakhipha ke isinqumo ke sithi ke ngaqhutshekwa ke nokuphosa ngembuzo ofakazi wombuso osifiso Gwabini Izungu ngestatement asenza njengoba ke ethi washawa ngamaphoyisa ngesikhathi emphosa imibuzo.
Abameli kanye nejaji baqale ngokuphikisana ngesitatimende esenziwa uGwabini esasithi amaphoyisa amshaya. Abameli ke bathi waphoqa ukucikica isitatimende. Ijaji lithi lezi izinsolo ezibucayi kufanele amaphoyisa abizwe enkantolo azoziphendulela.
He makes what accused number 1 says should be transferred to his statement, and he then signed by making that S.
And now that is his evidence.
Yes.
Now this court can never ever stop the state from cross-examining on the utterances of a witness. I don't have that authority.
In opposition to what my learned colleague says, that Makala applies, therefore a trial within a trial should be held. We've made our arguments that Makala and the circumstances in that were different, my lord. It's not applicable, as the court places.
Bekuphikiswana ke ngokuthi kufanele kwenziwe njani ngestatimende noma kufanele aphoswe ngembuzo ngakusho inkantolo ngokushaya kwakhe. Inkantolo ke ibe isinqumo ukuthi kungaqhutshekwa nokuphoswa imibuzo uGwabini.
You can cross-examine on that statement if it is there, because I don't know the statement. Because that statement, it's actually the evidence of the witness, which is encapsulated in a statement. Then we are talking about a statement as if it is denuded of evidential material. It's not.
U-Advocate Charles Mnisi uzwakalisa ukunganeliseki ngesinqumo senkantolo.
The court says no, that should not happen. It can go directly and cross-examine Mr. Gwabeni on the content of the statement without even,
as you say, proving the statement.
Yes, man.
Fine.
That's the ruling of the court.
That's the ruling.
Icala libe seliqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi zase-Cape Flats sezizwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokwanda kwezigameko zokudubulana lokhu ke njengoba ke kudutshulwe kwabulawa abayisithupha endaweni yokucima ukoma kwathi omunye washona ke ngesikhathi esendleleni eyesibhedlela.
Besoyikisela ubomi babo
Abahlali bathi badinga ukhuseleko lwamapolisa nangakumbi. Ikapa eli lifudula lithiwe mbandankwa zizehlo zobundlobongela kuquka ukunyanzelisa kwenhlawulo, ubundlobongela bamaqela onqevu kwanodubulwano ngemipu.
Abantwana bethu bayasiyeka isikole baleqane nalobukhrelemnqa be-extortion. And isiphathe kabuhlungu si-community because abanye abantwana ababasweleka kwezinto ngabantwana bethu abangenanga kwezi zinto.
Amapolisa athi inkoliso yezizehlo zokudutyulwa kwabantu abaninzi beqondene ndawonye ngaxeshanye yenzeka kwiindawo zentselo ezingekho mthethweni njengalapha eMarikana.
These legal establishments are a problem, and the neighboring people in the establishment, because you go to the shebeen, you don't find anything. And that suggests that the liquor is stored elsewhere within, because it's not stored away, because now they were drinking here, and police were here during the week, they couldn't find liquor.
Imibutho elwisana nobundlobongela nayo ishiyeke ikhwanqisekile zezizehlo zobundlobongela kulo lonke elilencam yeKapa.
The Cape Crisis Coalition condemns in the strongest terms the mass killings in Cape Town over the weekend and extends heartfelt condolences to the families and communities affected.
Ndingumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Mbukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakazi. Mbukela sizibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona ke mini usale kahle.